teaching over the years on a much smaller scale, like obviously to get started. So they learn the basic skills 101. And it's just a lot of fun. It brings families together. People are on the beach, they're away from social media, and they're doing things together. So that's my aim. Families can do things together.
Keep it going! Keep it going! Keep it going! And the party's in Arizona!
Gotta be perfect, gotta be beautiful, keep all your urges under control. Gotta be famous, sing all their favorite songs, get on the stage, it's where you belong. No more misbehaving unless we say it's part of the show.
As long as you need our angel of mine. But tomorrow, if a golden train came to take you away, would you go or just stay? Tomorrow, if a golden train